Hello, weather, let's go. What are the four seasons in the year? There are four seasons in the year: winter, autumn, spring, summer. Winter, autumn, spring, summer. There are four seasons in the. How is the weather in summer? How is the weather in summer? It's hot and sunny. It's hot and sunny. How is the weather in winter? It's cold and rainy. It's cold and rainy. How is the weather in autumn? How is the weather in autumn? It's cloudy and windy. It's cloudy and windy. How is the weather in spring? It's cool and nice. It's cool and nice. So, which season is your favorite? I prefer summer because I can go to the beach and eat ice cream and fly a kite. What should I wear in summer? You should wear a cap, a t-shirt, a skirt. Okay, yes. What should I wear in autumn? You should wear a mask and a scarf. Okay, yes. What about winter? You should wear a jacket. Oh, good.